Welcome back to English Learning Podcast HQ. I'm very happy you are here today. This podcast is for beginners who want to speak English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Today's topic is very important. Today, we will talk about daily problems. Everyone has problems. You are not alone. Some problems are small. Some problems feel big. But learning how to talk about them in English can help you feel calm and confident. You do not need perfect English. You only need to speak honestly. Relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. What are daily problems? Daily problems are small difficulties we face every day. They happen at home, at work, and at school. They are part of life. Everyone has them, even native English speakers. So please, do not feel bad. Feeling tired. Many people feel tired. Repeat after me. I feel tired. I am very tired today. I didn't sleep well. I need some rest. Good job. Morning problems. Mornings can be difficult. I woke up late. I missed my alarm. I was in a hurry. My morning was stressful. It happens. Work problems. Work can be stressful. I have a lot of work. I feel busy. I feel stressed at work. My work is difficult today. Take one step at a time. School problems. Students also have problems. I have too much homework. I don't understand the lesson. I feel nervous in class. I'm worried about my exam. You are doing your best. Money problems. Money problems are common. I don't have enough money. Money is tight. I need to save money. You are not alone. Family problems. Sometimes family life is difficult. I had an argument. I feel upset. We had a small problem. I need time to calm down. That's okay. Health problems. Health problems affect daily life. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I feel weak. I need rest. Be kind to your body. Feeling stressed. Stress is very common. I feel stressed. I feel under pressure. I have too many things to do. Slow down. Feeling sad. Sometimes we feel sad. I feel sad. I feel lonely. I feel down today. I need someone to talk to. You matter. Feeling angry. Anger is normal. I feel angry. I feel frustrated. Something went wrong. I need to calm down. Take a breath. Time problems. Time problems happen every day. I don't have time. I'm running late. I'm very busy today. It's okay. Daily story. Now just listen. Today was a difficult day. I woke up late. I felt tired. I rushed to work. I had many tasks. I felt stressed. In the evening, I felt exhausted. But I rested, and slowly, I felt better. Now repeat with me. Today was a difficult day. I felt tired. I feel better now. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and speak. Today I feel I have a problem with, I need, good job, solutions. Problems can have solutions. I will take a break. I will rest. I will try again tomorrow. That is enough for today. Staying positive. Everything will be okay. Tomorrow is a new day. I will do my best. You are strong. Asking for help. It is okay to ask for help. Can you help me? I need some help. Thank you for listening. Talking to friends. I talked to my friend. My friend listened to me. I feel better now. Connection helps. Relaxing. I take a deep breath. I relax at home. I watch TV to relax. My body feels calm. Nighttime. At night, I think about my day. I feel tired. I go to bed early. Tomorrow is a new start. Final review. Today, you learned how to talk about daily problems. You learned real English for real life. You are improving even on difficult days. Great job today. Remember, everyone has problems. You are not weak. You are learning. Speak slowly. Be kind to yourself. Thank you for learning with English Learning Podcast HQ. I'll see you in the next episode.